All right, guys. So we're doing 3 and 4, week 3 and 4, and then we're gonna play music, and they're gonna show you 1, 2, 3, 4. Con música. So, Jessa, you ready?
Sure.
All right. First, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Angle basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Basic. Week 4. Susie Gibbs.
7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 6, 7, 7, 5, 5.
1, 2, 3, 5.
6, 7.